Do you want to know how you can log into your NHS Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your NHS Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Now, go to the search bar to search for NHS Payroll login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of NHS Payroll. Now you can see Login to ESR button on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it. You have now officially entered the login portal of NHS Payroll. What you need to do is write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go to the second box and write down your password. As you write down your password, make sure to check on it by clicking on this icon. Once you write down your username and password associated to your NHS Payroll account, click Login. This way, you can easily log into your NHS Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password or your username or your account has been locked, this is the single link for you. Go ahead and tap on it, write down your email address, write down your date of birth which you registered on NHS, and write down your username and click Submit. Then, if your email address is correct, a mail will be sent to your email by NHS. Go ahead and click on the reset link and you can recover your account once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your NHS Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.